Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am sitting on my kitchen floor. Why do you ask? I'm gonna tell you. So I'm gonna show you guys how you can clean your tile grout with, ready? Toilet bowl cleaner. Okay, we're gonna test it out. This is my first time doing it. I've seen a ton of videos on it. I've seen people just show miracles pretty much, but I wanted to try it out for myself, so I'm quite excited. I want to see how this thing is gonna really clean my grout because I need it. We've been here for a while now and I've never cleaned my grout. None of them. Not in the kitchen, not in my entryway. I think those are the only two places we have tiles. Oh, and my bathrooms too, but I've never cleaned my grout since we moved here. So I am so curious to see how this is gonna change it. I hope you guys are as curious as I am. So let's go ahead and I'm gonna show you guys the area that I'm gonna test it out on, and I'm gonna show you how dirty it is. So we're gonna do a before and an after. So let's go ahead and get started. So I just wanted to go ahead and show you guys what I'll be using. I obviously have some gloves. Definitely wear gloves when you do this. And I have a microfiber cloth here. And of course, the Lysol Toilet Bowl Cleaner itself. So not much. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna see how good it's gonna do with the grout. Okay, so this is the area that I'm gonna try this on. As you can see, I'm gonna try to get a little bit close. You can see it is pretty filthy. Yeah, you get in there, you can really see how dark it is. But let me show you, this is our most walked on area in the kitchen. Not every area looks like this. Some of them are lighter than this, but I wanted to try this out on something that was more dirty so we can see the difference that it really does make. So as you can see, it has a very easy like pouring cap almost. So you just, you know, I think they make them tight so children can't open them, but they also make them so easy so that you can be able to pour it without making a big mess, which I really like, and it's gonna help get in there without having it spray everywhere. So I'm gonna start right now. I'm gonna start pouring in the grout, and then I'm gonna let it sit for a little bit. While I do that, I'm gonna get a cloth and we're gonna wipe it away and see what it does. Okay, so I'm gonna do this square for now. I'm gonna let it sit and let it do its thing. Let it sit for 30 minutes. I'm so curious to see how this is gonna do. So I don't know if you can see it, but it's kind of bubbling under there. So I think that's the cleaner working already. So this is how it looks. I may have put a little too much in there, but that's okay. as you can see, right there it's still dark, and then when you come here, it's a little bit lighter. So it's bubbling up in there. You can definitely see it. All right, I'll be back to show you guys how it worked. Okay, so it's been a while. I let it sit, and now I have my cloth here, and I also got a toothbrush that I'm gonna try to use on one side to see if I will need to scrub just a little bit, or if I'm just gonna wipe and everything is gonna come off. And most importantly, I have my gloves here. So let's go ahead and get started, you guys. Let's see if this really worked. Before I wipe it off though, I want to turn you guys around, and I'm going to show you how it looks after it sat for a little bit. Okay, so this is how it's looking. It has like some whitish bubbles forming. Yeah, that's how it looks right now after sitting for a while. So I'm gonna go ahead and start wiping because I'm so curious to see if this thing worked. Okay, first I'm gonna use the cloth and wipe away. Oh my gosh, you guys, it worked. That's what's coming off right now. Like, that's pretty nasty. So, wow. Yeah, it worked. I'm gonna zoom you guys in, and I'm gonna show you this little part here. Kind of shows what was lifted off of the grout. Oh my goodness. Okay, so you see that brownish stuff right there? That's what came off of the grout. And as you can see, if I zoom in a little bit, you can see how much more cleaner it does look compared to like right there. So yeah, this definitely works. So now I'm gonna try the toothbrush. Alrighty, I got my toothbrush here. And as you can see, it's lifting off some stuff. Yeah, you can see. It's pretty nasty in there. See, all that brown stuff lifting off. So either way, you could just use a cloth, or you can use a toothbrush to just give it that extra scrubbing, I guess. But either way, it works, you guys. This is insane. It's actually satisfying just to brush this off. Oh my gosh. Yeah, it's filthy. You can see the different blues there. Just to show you one last time, you can see the difference between the one I just cleaned here and this one that has not been cleaned. So yeah, this definitely works, you guys. I'm so happy. Guys, I'm still on the floor here, but I just wanted to say this was amazing to try out. This is not just good for the toilet, it can clean your grout as well. And I was pretty embarrassed at what came off my grout today, but I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna finish cleaning all this so I can get the floors nicely mopped. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a like and comment down below and let me know if you've ever cleaned with your toilet bowl cleaner, or any brand actually. I just happen to have Lysol on hand, but I'm sure the other brands work the same. Maybe my next video I will compare like 2 different brands to see which one is better. Let me know if you like that. Anyways, I'm gonna let you guys go. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have not subscribed yet, please go ahead and do so. I would really appreciate you guys helping me grow my YouTube channel. Thank you, thank you, thank you, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.